12:25 on this Wednesday, halfway through the week and just about most of the way done with warm weather. We have one more day, but 80s to near 90 degrees this afternoon in the valley today. Cold front arrives Thursday night. I think Thursday during the day is still pretty warm. Probably will hit the same temperature range, close to 90 degrees for highs. And then a chilly Friday. I think Friday may be a day when it's going to be kind of breezy, cloudy, a little wet. May not get out of the 50s, but it's only that cold for about one day or so. And then we start to warm up over the weekend. But there's more cold fronts coming. Yes, there are more. 85 in Owesco right now, 88 in Rio Grande City, 78 near the coast at South Padre Island. And we look across Texas right now. You don't see any cold weather yet because the cold front's still north of the state, but it's moving pretty quickly. 79 in San Antonio, even farther to the north. You see it's in the 70s all the way up across the state. The cold front's actually right on the edge of the screen up there, kind of coming through North Kansas and Nebraska, but it's moving quickly and will be entering the area by tomorrow night. So highlights with the cold front again. This is tomorrow night, not today. Cold front late Thursday evening. Probably going to be coming in here 9 p.m. to midnight time frame or so. Showers and storms could be possible along the front. We're not expecting severe weather tomorrow night. Probably not even a lot of rain. I imagine rainfall amounts mostly under an inch, maybe mostly under a half an inch. But there could be some lighter rain also behind the front through part of Friday. Windy and chilly by late Thursday night. We may be falling through the 50s. Some of the models say a few spots may even reach about maybe 48 or 49 by Friday morning and then try to get back into the 50s. So Friday will be a definite almost winter type day across the valley when you factor in the clouds and the breezy conditions and maybe a little leftover rain. Temperatures this afternoon able to warm up with partly sunny skies. No rain today. It looks like dry weather around this afternoon and evening. By tonight, it stays warm and humid, and then tomorrow, still most of the day is looking dry. Notice, though, by afternoon, the clouds kind of increase a bit. As we get toward evening, showers could start to break out, maybe a few thunderstorms along the front. But again, you don't see a lot of rain, heavy rain, at least along the front, as it comes in closer to late evening or midnight. Once the front rolls through, though, some rain can be behind the front through part of Friday. I think Friday may even have some sprinkles or light rain showers into the early afternoon hours. But all that helps keep temperatures down. We may be seeing temperatures stuck in the 50s most of the day. Friday night should be dry the way it still looks for football, and Saturday maybe a little chilly in the morning in the 50s, but the sun should try to reappear gradually later in the afternoon. Here are temperatures again on Future Track, and by tomorrow afternoon we're still very warm. Here comes the front late tomorrow evening. You notice it's cooling down, but not much ahead of the front, and then right behind the front it goes way down into the 50s quickly. I imagine we could see a very quick temperature drop into the 50s within a couple hours, and then by Friday morning you wake up into mainly the low 50s. And notice how during the day the clock ticks up, but the temperatures don't go up. They kind of just stay pretty steady all afternoon on Friday with the clouds and again some showers around. There could be some gusty winds along the front too. Again, pretty calm tomorrow, but once the front hits, you can kind of see the colors change right there, and the winds pick up, especially along the coast. Winds could be strongest at South Padre Island and along the coast around Port Mansfield. When the front passes late tomorrow night, we may see gusts easily over 30 to 40 miles per hour for a while behind the front. And rain dry today, 80% chance for rain tomorrow. But again, I don't think we're seeing big time amounts of rain. Maybe a little burst of a heavier shower Thursday evening and night, and then we kind of get back into some lighter showers on Friday. But I still think most areas will see under an inch of rain, and just some cooler weather, though, trickles in all through Friday as well. 57 for a high on Friday, but you saw if it stays cloudy and wet enough, we could say maybe closer to 50 most of the afternoon. So we're warm today, warm tomorrow, cold and breezy on Friday with some light rain showers. Again, it should be dry Friday night for football plans. Saturday, the clouds may gradually break up. Highs could reach the low 70s. Warmer by Sunday, but only for about a day or so. Another front arrives sometime on Veterans Day with some showers and storms, and then maybe even a colder blast of air next Tuesday. We'll track that front too, coming up in your first 1-5 forecast throughout the week on Channel 5 News at noon.